It's Travis Anderson with Keller Williams Realty. We're going to review the 2024 market update and what we're seeing here in 2025. 2024, the median home price was $380,000. This is actually up from the previous year, 3.3%. We also saw closed sales at $45,000. That was slightly up about 1.8% from 2023. With that being said, we're actually down 24% from pre-pandemic numbers. So we used to have about 60,000 home sales in the Twin Cities, and last year we had 45,000. We had 64,000 new listings in the Twin Cities, and again 45,000 sold, which means only 70% of our listings sold in 2024. Again, that is down from 78% of our listings selling in 2019 and pre-pandemic numbers. New construction listings accounted for 21% of the market. There were 13,000 new home builds, I should say new listings listed that were new construction in 2024. Now 21% is a really big number. That's substantially up from 13% in 2019. Now, according to good old Google AI, the average mortgage rate in 2024 was 6.7%. And Fannie Mae, which is one of the largest secondary mortgage lenders, owners of mortgage debt, let's say, they predict the rates to remain around 6.5% in 2025. I would predict that that's probably the case, even though I don't have a crystal ball. So what are we seeing here already in 2025? At the time of this video anyways, we are seeing fewer showings on our listings. So just a couple of years ago, we maybe had 15, 20, 25 showings on our listings before they'd sell. We're seeing about half of that. We still get some listings with tons of demand, and yet on average, we're seeing maybe between 8 and 15 showings on our listings. Another thing that we're seeing in 2025 already is inspections and home sale contingencies are being presented in most of the offers that we're seeing. Not exclusively home sale contingencies, but it just isn't uncommon anymore. That sort of went away as the market was peaking, and it looks like it's coming back. There's a good percentage of home sellers who are also home buyers, and they're using that sale contingency in contracts to go ahead and buy real estate today. And the last thing I would say is seasonality is in full swing. We see this every year. January 2nd, my phone starts to ring. People start to reach out, and we recognize the buyers coming into the real estate market. That is definitely happening. We are seeing more demand right now per a normal season. I don't expect there to be much more than 45,000 home sales again. I assume that we're getting to a new normal here, where instead of having 60,000 sales in the Twin Cities, we're probably gonna have 45,000 or so, which means that we need a great realtor helping our buyers and sellers negotiate those contracts, find the right consumer on the other side, and make sure we negotiate a deal that's win-win. Again, my name is Travis Anderson. This has been a quick 2024 market update and what we're seeing here in 2025.